Hello friends. Welcome to the weekly Forex analysis at StableDollar. Today we will analyze the eurodollar, pound yen, Australian dollar and US dollar pairs, and Bitcoin. In the eurodollar we can see at a glance an uptrend with daily candles. The last candle for last week is a bullish hammer. If we raise a volume chart we see that we are in the middle of an accumulation. In addition to this area, we quickly see two areas of possible interest: sales order block and purchase order block. Seeing the highlights we have in the previous week. In my opinion, we can take the last candlestick as a sell manipulation. I would look for trades to buy this week. In a period of 4 hours we could expect this movement also. I would look for confirmations in minor temporalities. In the pound and the Japanese yen, in daily candles we quickly see that we are in a build-up. We are at the upper end of the range. I see interest in this area here, which was used as support, then resistance, and could end up being support again. On a 4-hour chart we see the same areas of interest. And in a 15-minute chart we see how it closed on Friday with bearish force. We could expect this movement the first days of the week. In the Australian dollar and the US dollar, we can easily see that we are in what is called a character change. We were coming from an uptrend until it broke with this higher low. We could expect a pullback consolidating the small downtrend. If we honor the stop loss with the trend, we could start looking for trades to buy. In 4 hours we could confirm these assumptions. And in 15 minutes we would find a bearish trend clearly formed in the last days. To analyze Bitcoin we go to daily candles. We see how we are at the top of the range that has been working since the last year. The daily trend is bullish, but it does not mean that we expect it to rise. In my opinion, it is not the rise that we are all waiting for, it is another manipulation by smart money. For this week I would expect a setback. In 4 hours I see this small support area that was previously resistance as an area of interest. In a shorter period of time we can see a kind of pennant, it would start the week looking for sales. I remind you that this is an analysis, everything can look different as the days go by. This is not advice, just an estimated analysis, where confirmations will have to be found in shorter periods of time. Don't forget to subscribe and help me grow. Leave me your opinions in the comments so we can continue learning together.